So in this video, I'm going to attempt to replace the speaker driver for the Tronsmart Mirtune H1. And to do that, I'm going to replace it with the speaker driver that I got from Shopee here in the Philippines. It's not that expensive, but this is supposed to be a replacement for the JBL Clip 4, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And it does look like it's going to fit. So I haven't tried it yet, but hopefully it fits. So if it does fit and it works well, then this will be a good replacement. But I will do a comparison at the end of the video of what it sounds with the original driver versus this replacement. So we'll do that in a bit. Okay, so this is the difference between the two. This is the original one on the left. Okay, let's try. Actually fits. It doesn't really fit. So yeah, it doesn't fit. You could see the screw hole. The screw hole does not fit, or it's not aligned with this speaker I got. Even if I push it all the way, it will just damage the screw hole. So it doesn't work. So mission failed.